Hi everybody, going to be broadcasting the solutions to homework 1.9a. Here we go. Chlorine gas. Chlorine gas is bubbled into a solution of potassium bromide. There's my water word. I do see a neutral atom, so I'm going to do my redox. In this case, this is going to go down, and someone's got to go up. That's going to be bromine. Potassium is my spectator ion, so it's going to cancel out. I'm going to be left with Cl minus plus Br2, 0. Balance. Okay, so let's predict the sign of delta S. This is something that we're going to learn later. Don't need to worry about this 25 degrees Celsius. That just tells us that the reaction's at room temperature. So delta S basically stands for what I like to call as messiness. I'm not sure if I spelled this correctly, but it really is looking at whether or not the reaction is getting messy or clean. And when we do this, we like to look at states of matter. So if you think of clean to messy, we really think of, well, let's you guess, solids, liquids, and gases. Out of those three, which one do you think is the messiest, and which one do you think is the cleanest? Solids, liquids, and gases. I'll wait a little bit. Good job, guys. Actually, you're right. Solids are the cleanest, then liquids, and then gases. What I mean by clean is ordered. You can think of a cube as a solid, very ordered. You can think of a little puddle as a liquid, getting more disordered. And you can think of the gas particles as being very random and all over the place. So if you think of your room when it's made, it's like a solid. As it starts to get messy, it's a liquid. And when everything is all over the place, it's a gas. So what we have to do is just look at the reaction. And we want to figure out how it relates to these states of matter. So let's go and try and fill in what we know. They told us that chlorine's a gas, okay? And we know that this is aqueous because it's dissolved in water. So we have gas plus something that's aqueous. And, okay, we know this is aqueous because it is dissolved in water. We see the ion sign. And bromine is actually a liquid when it's an atom. And if you look on the periodic table that are up in our classroom, bromine is in blue. If you have your periodic table out right now, you might want to circle bromine and indicate that it is a liquid. I do not expect you to know that off the top of your head, but it's just a nice, interesting fact. So when we look at this, the aqueuses cancel out, but we're going from a gas to a liquid. So gas to liquid, this reaction is going from messy to clean. So it is getting cleaner. It is getting cleaner. And that means, if you look up on the classroom, it says delta S is negative if the reaction gets clean. Delta S is positive if it gets messy. So sign on delta S equals negative. All right, we'll go over that a lot more later, but just jot down what I jotted down, especially this diagram right here. This is a really important one to know. Take care, guys. Have a good day.